A spokeswoman for the Department of Cooperative Management and Traditional Affairs said massive incidents had been reported in and around Pietermaritzburg due to heavy hail. The terrible storm left a devastating mark when it hit Pietermaritzburg this afternoon. Massive hail hit the city and the rapid downpour flooded the roads and caused serious damage. The flooding was aggravated by a blockage of storm sewers in Pietermaritzburg. Motorists who were caught in the storm reported massive dents left on their cars after being hit by golf ball-sized hail. "I'm going to hit someone's car or a pedestrian," said Mlu Mhize, who was driving through the central business district. Another motorist, Tandeka Msomi, said that trees and power lines began to fall around her in Scottsville. "I was afraid that one tree would fall on my car, but I kept driving because I didn't want to be trapped. Fortunately, I made it home safe, but my car was badly damaged. I need to fix the rear window and the dents," Msomi said. In Eastwood, some residents said their roofs had collapsed, and some buildings in Scottsville and the central business district of Pietermaritzburg had broken windows. Severe thunderstorms are also expected in parts of the Eastern Cape, with heavy rainfall, high winds, large amounts of small hail and excessive lightning on Wednesday. The South African Weather Service issued a Level 2 yellow warning for heavy rainfall and thunderstorms in parts of South Africa starting Wednesday through the weekend. Heavy hail in KwaZulu-Natal led to the closure of the N3 road on Wednesday. The storm followed a second-level weather warning from the South African Meteorological Service on Wednesday morning. The inclement weather is expected to last until 2300 hours. Several accidents are reported on the N3 and M7. The South African Meteorological Service has warned of local flooding and poor visibility and traffic conditions due to downpours. A low temperature zone is expected over the Eastern Cape on Friday, which is combined with a high-pressure ridge system, which will lead to a high probability of heavy showers and thunderstorms throughout the province. Heavy showers are expected with an accumulation of 20 to 30 millimeters, the Weather Service said on Thursday. These weather conditions are expected to result in localized flooding of vulnerable communities, roads and low-lying areas, challenging driving conditions and traffic disruptions resulting from significant falls and poor visibility, and occasional wet roads.
Oh my God. What happened to everyone all of a sudden? Bashiye ngomafutha bufethu.
According to weather forecaster Mzila, the Meteorological Service expects occasional showers and thunderstorms in the central and eastern parts of the country, 60% of which will be concentrated in Limpopo, Mpumalanga, KwaZulu-Natal, as well as along the coast of the Eastern Cape Province. We expect a similar weather pattern to spread to the western bushveld of Limpopo Province. Warm or high temperatures are expected in the afternoon. Our temperatures will remain cool to warm with high temperatures over the leveled regions of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, she said. Earlier in the day, a yellow level 2 warning was issued for severe thunderstorms over the western Free State and northwest provinces, and the central and eastern North Cape. This will result in heavy rainfall leading to localized flooding, high winds, hail and excessive lightning. Such weather conditions can be expected from Wednesday to Friday. Parts of the Eastern Cape are also expected to experience severe thunderstorms with heavy rainfall, strong winds, large amounts of small hail and excessive lightning on Wednesday, the Weather Service said. Meanwhile, Pietermaritzburg residents shared videos on social media of heavy downpours, with a downpour that swept through the area on Wednesday afternoon.